Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, the. It's a pretty big place. Correct. Number two, Bob will, like this. What's that? Yeah, that's right. In number one, we are talking about this game. This game is called chess. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I am the best chess player in the world. I am the best chess player in the world. World. The world means all of the countries and all of the people in the world. I am the best player in the world. Now change it to future in 10 years. I will be the best chess player in the world in 10 years. In 10 years means 10 years into the future. Now let's make a flashcard for world and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write world up here in the top left corner, WORLD. We usually say in the world. Down here, N1, this means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 198 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Were. Old. World. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer takes her hat off every day. Jennifer takes her hat off every day. She takes her hat off. In the morning, she puts her hat on. And then later, she takes her hat off every day. Jennifer takes her hat off every day. And another way to say it is, this is a separable phrasal verb. So we can also say, do you know it? Jennifer takes off her hat. This is also correct. And we have one more. We have 3 ways. And if we are talking about the hat, we change the hat to one word with 2 letters. The spelling is I-T. She takes it off every day. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please write this on your card. Today we're learning to take your hat off. Please write that up here. Down here, DA1, this means daily activity, level 1. Over here, the number 23 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The 2 red parts sound like A. Take. Off. Take off. Hat. Same sound as cat. Game over. You did very well today. And if you're high level, level 2 words. Number 1, correct. Nature. Yeah, all the birds and the trees and the rivers. Number 2, Jennifer is an engineer. Correct. That's a person. And number 3, we will transfer the boxes over there. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.